Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Today I'm going to show you how to tie one of the most secure knots in all of sailing called a double constrictor knot. Use the double constrictor to whip the end of a cut line, repair a broken tiller, clamp a patch over a blown engine hose, or lash down gear on deck to prepare for sailing or cruising. In illustration number 1, we start the knot like a clove hitch. Hold the standing part in place, make a turn over the rail or fitting. In illustration 2, we roll the end of the line over the fitting again to form a second hitch. Now take a look at how the first and second hitch lie parallel to one another. You want to keep those hitches separated as shown. This will make it easier to finish the knot. In illustration 3, tuck the line through all 3 hitches as shown by the red arrow. Pull on both ends of the knot to make it tight and secure. The finished knot should look similar to the photograph. Now you know how to tie the double constrictor knot for sailing or cruising. Use easy sailing tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.